Welcome. Today, we're diving into Email Cleaner, a top email management tool built to help users quickly and efficiently clean up their cluttered inboxes. If you're looking to get rid of spam, reduce unwanted emails, and organize your messages all in one place, this tool might be perfect for you. Let's go through the main features, advantages, and any possible limitations of Email Cleaner. Point 1 of the standout features of Email Cleaner is its bulk email deletion function. This allows users to quickly remove hundreds or even thousands of unnecessary messages in a few clicks, saving tons of time and effort. Say goodbye to scrolling and deleting emails one by one. Additionally, the tool includes spam filtering options that automatically categorize junk and spam emails, helping you focus on what's important. This feature alone can save hours of manual inbox sorting every week. Another key feature is the automated email organization capability. Email Cleaner identifies different types of messages, like newsletters, promotions, or social updates, and groups them into folders. This structure makes it easy to decide which emails to delete and which to keep, providing a much more streamlined inbox. Now, about Clean Email. If you're in need of a reliable, easy-to-use email manager with powerful sorting and filtering tools, I highly recommend giving Clean Email a try. It's linked in the description below, so check it out to see how it can take your inbox to the next level. While Email Cleaner offers excellent tools for managing and organizing emails, one limitation is that its free version has restrictions on the number of emails you can manage daily. If you're looking to handle larger volumes, you may want to consider the premium plan. The paid version, which starts at a competitive price, unlocks all of the features, allowing you to handle thousands of emails seamlessly and gain access to the complete suite of tools, including unlimited bulk actions, advanced filters, and priority support. In terms of cost, the premium version of Email Cleaner provides good value for users with high email volumes. Whether you're managing personal emails or a work inbox, the upgrade is worth it if you want to save time and maximize productivity. So, if your inbox is overloaded and you're ready to take control, be sure to give Email Cleaner a try. Don't forget, there's a link in the description below to the best email manager that can help you achieve Inbox Zero with ease. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Email Cleaner, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like for more helpful reviews and tips.